So if you were looking for a little holiday inspiration on how to dress your coffee table for the season, I have some tips for you. Number one is always think about the look and feel you want your coffee table to have for the season. For my coffee table, I wanted it to be warm and inviting, and I wanted it to be sophisticated. So I have used all glass and mercury glass to style my table. And some ways I have saved money is by buying things off season. So I'm using a tray that I purchased from Z Gallery several years ago, and it is an oversized tray and I absolutely love it. It goes perfectly with my coffee table, and because it is so oversized, I can set several things on it. So I have added these hurricane lamps that I picked up, or these candle holders rather, that I picked up from HomeGoods earlier this year. I love the design. I love the hammered metal effect and the little wavy glass. I don't know if you can see that, but it is oh so pretty. And I picked these up and they were $19.99 and $12.99, which I did not think was a bad price. And the candles inside are very cheap candles that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1. And the way they are flickering, you would think that I had purchased them at a very high-end store. Another way I've saved money is by using items that I purchased off season last year. And one of those items is this Christmas tree. I picked up this mercury glass Christmas tree last year on clearance at HomeGoods, and it was $16.99 and I paid $8.50 for it. So always shop off season. You get your best deal and it saves you a lot of money, and you can use those items in your home decor for the next year. If you are a glam girl, you can use these candle holders year round, which is what I plan to do. Now, you cannot set a mood without a fragrance, and I love this winter pine. I picked up this candle from HomeGoods. It was $14.99, and as you can see, I've been loving it because it's almost gone. I'll have to go find another one. But I absolutely love it, and I love the feel and the warmth that this table is giving me for the holiday season. So say you're more of a traditional person, then this is one way that you could decorate your coffee table for Christmas. You guys know that I have done different themes around my home, and the theme for this room was Christmas morning, and it's more of a traditional Christmas style. So I have added this it's a planter that I got from the Dollar General. It was white and like a terracotta color. I painted it black. And then I added in some magnolia stems that I cut from my own tree outside. I added in some faux greenery and some red berries, and a candle that I picked up from HomeGoods. And I have just set it on top of the coffee table. And I think it looks really, really nice here in the space. It looks perfect with the angel wings that stay on the coffee table all the time. The little elf pillows in the back. This whole space looks so, so nice, along with our traditional tree for Christmas morning. Again, this is one way that you can decorate your coffee table for Christmas if you have a traditional style. another way to decorate your coffee table if you are not a traditional person, but you're more modern like myself, is the way I have decorated the coffee table here in my family room. So I showed you guys how I decorated the family room in a previous video. If you missed that, I will leave all of those videos linked in the description box down below so you can go check them out. But this one, I am a modern girl. I call myself my style budget luxury. So I wanted to create something really luxurious for this space. So if you remember, this bowl came from Ross. It was all brass and I painted part of it black and I left the bottom part of it gold, or that brassy color. And then I added to it the ornaments that we picked up from CB2. Absolutely love these. If you have the chance to get them while they are on sale, I would definitely advise you do so. They are so nice. And I think they had like a pack of 8 for like $60, which again, I think is a really good price compared to the quality that you're getting. But for this style, I added in the black bowl with some greenery stems from, what is it? Kirkland's. It's the Norfolk Pine, and I added in some little fairy lights. And then I added in a pop of the bronze color to go along with our Christmas tree over here on this side to tie everything together. I have a candle because of course you know you need a fragrance for the table, and it just looks so nice. Again, I have a very budget luxury style and I love how the coffee table came out. So this is another way that you could decorate your table for Christmas. And then the final look that I absolutely love, and I think if I had to rate them on a scale of which ones I like best, the one in my family room is first, and then this one is second. This one is a very glamorous look, although it is very simple. So this is a final decorating inspiration for your coffee table for Christmas. In this one, I have just used a very simple black bowl that we picked up from Home Goods. I have added in it some silver ornaments from a Christmas tree that I didn't use this year. These came from the At Home store. These came from Z Gallery many years ago. They're little Sputnik ornaments, and I absolutely love how they look here on the table. I have paired with it this black base that has a mirrored finish, and then some more of those stems from Kirkland's, which is the Norfolk Pine. I have my black and white coffee table books here, and that just rounds out the look, and I think it looks perfect here in the space, and I absolutely love it. As you guys remember, I called this space my New York apartment. As you can see, this is our view outside our window. Absolutely love this look. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's coffee table decorating ideas for Christmas. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. My next video is going to be my Christmas home tour. It is going to be a night tour, and yeah, I think you guys are really gonna love it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look, and I hope to see you in the next one.